Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the step count test of the Fitbit Versa. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to start walking, and then I'll activate the walk option in the exercise option in Fitbit Versa, and then we'll see the accuracy, what all information you get, whether you get the pace, the speed and all these things, and how if it's going to monitor my heart rate continuously. So all those options will be tested in this video. So since I'm walking outside, there's going to be a lot of sound, so sorry about that. I can't really help it. I am using a external mic to get as clear sound as possible, but even with this there's a lot of background sound that's going to come. So let's go ahead and start the test. So let's look at the watch now. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the exercise option. Now the first one itself, I've kept it as walk, so let's go ahead and click that, play, and it starts. Now you see that connecting option there. So what it's right now trying to do is it's connecting to my GPS. Okay, so let's go ahead and wear it. Okay, so now it's got the GPS, so let's go ahead and walk now. Okay, so 1.2 kilometers done. Let's stop it now. Okay, so let's stop it. Finish. Okay, so let's see what's the data. So it shows 13 minutes 20 seconds time, 1.2 kilometers, 1304 average, 108 BPM average, 136 BMP max, 90 calories burnt, 153 steps. So okay, so that shows your pace and your duration. So that's the data that you'll get from the Fitbit Versa. So basically good. Even with the connected GPS, it worked good. Now we will try something else later on. We will try comparing it with a device which has built-in GPS, and then see how it's going to be. Okay, so you guys have seen the data. So basically in the starting it takes some time to get the GPS. Once the GPS is connected, it basically works fine. So it's a good option. I don't know how accurate it is. I will be doing a comparison between this and any other watch which has built-in GPS and see how good the data is going to be. I am going to do another test where I'm going to compare it with Google Maps. So basically I'll be walking according to Google Map. I'll be putting a destination, I'll be walking, and then I'll see if the kilometers are going to be the same or similar, or what is the data going to be. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.